Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting within Google Sheets. So here we go. Okay, what we're going to do first is here's my spreadsheet, and on my spreadsheet I have all of these percentages from reading, math, and science, and I want it to be able to look at it very quickly and determine what the scores are. So I'm going to highlight all of those percentages, and I'm going to go up to Format, and I'm going to go down to Conditional Formatting. I'm going to click on that. And when I do, I'm going to get a little menu off to the right-hand side. Now I'm going to be able to change the color of the cells based on what is in the cell. I can use text, I can use numbers. In this case, we are going to say greater than. So I'm going to click greater than, and then I'm going to put in the number 80. So if it's greater than 80, I want to make that a real pretty blue color, so it's blue. Okay, so if it's 80 or above, it's going to be blue, right? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add another rule, and this one is going to be less than or equal to. And less than or equal to, we're going to put in here 69. And when it's less than or equal to 69, we need to change the color. We don't want to use the same color, so I'm going to choose this kind of orangish pinkish color, okay? So now I'm going to add one more rule, and I'm going to go between those two. I'm going to go between 79 and 70 on this one here. So I'm going to put in here 79, and I'm going to put in 70, and then I'm going to change the color to like a kind of like a greenish color. So that way I have three distinct colors that I can look at very quickly and say, oh, I see the ones that we need to work on, or I see the ones that we're mastering. And now if I go in here and I put a number in, because this was part of my highlighted part of the sheet, you'll notice that it is changing to the color based on the number that is in there, because that's what spreadsheets do. They look at data, and Google Sheets is so amazing. Thank you so much for watching.